Happy New Year, everybody. A couple of days ago, I seen this article. It was about John Kerry, and all you could say it's definitely prophecy being fulfilled. I just want to read a little bit of the article. It says, U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry will offer Israeli and Palestinian negotiators a political trade-off. Israeli recognition of the 1967 lines as a basis for the future Palestinian state in return for Palestinian recognition of Israel as the state of the Jewish people. You know, John Kerry and Barack Obama, they're both idiots, okay? They're stupid. And, you know, they're putting constant pressure on Israel to divide her land. And because of them doing that, they have made Israel a burden upon themselves. According to Zechariah chapter 12, verses 1 through 3, which says, "The burden of the word of the Lord for Israel, saith the Lord, which stretcheth forth the heavens, and lays the foundation of the earth, and forms the spirit of man within him. Behold, I will make Jerusalem a cup of trembling unto all the people round about, when they shall be in the siege both against Judah and against Jerusalem. And in that day will I make Jerusalem a burdensome stone for all people. All that burden themselves with it shall be cut in pieces, though all the people of the earth be gathered together against it." And also in verse 9, which says, "And it shall come to pass in that day that I will seek to destroy all the nations that come against Jerusalem." Joel 3:2 says, "I will also gather all nations and will bring them down into the valley of Jehoshaphat, and will plead with them there for my people and for my heritage Israel, whom they have scattered among the nations and parted my land." Genesis 12:3 says, "I will bless those who bless Israel, and I will curse those who curse Israel." And Galatians chapter 6, verses 7 and 8 says, "Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever a man sows, this he will also reap. Whoever sows to please their flesh from the flesh will reap destruction. Whoever sows to please the Spirit from the Spirit will reap eternal life." Warning comes before destruction.